Test, test. Let's see. Let's see. Can you guys hear me well? Let's see. Let me play this on a different laptop. Thoughts on Doge? I'll cover it now. Alright, perfect. Okay, guys. NQ still kind of pulling back. A little scared on my Tesla position. I mean, I kind of got what I wanted to pre-market. It was at 732, which was the price we got in that the day before, and we added some yesterday at 638. So we were in a decent profit, but now as it's pulling back, I don't know if I should sell right now. I was trying to wait for a bounce, possibly back to 720s, but we'll see what happens at open. AMC squeeze for Friday. My play is till tomorrow. I don't really know what can happen Friday. Honestly, I've seen the gamma squeeze and I've looked into it. I don't know how I feel. I don't know my thoughts on it yet. So I'm still waiting for earnings because I think something can happen on the earnings call that can be more of a catalyst. Thoughts on Doge. I'm trying to get in Doge back in like a penny. I know I woke up and the first thing I saw was a tweet of by Elon pumping Doge again. So that's kind of like my strategy on there. Just wait for an Elon tweet. I'm gonna keep holding Tesla. Tesla kind of rough, yeah. Okay, look, it looks like we're bouncing back here 713. I don't know if we're gonna hold anything under 700. Once again, it could get pretty brutal and possibly back to 680s. So yesterday we stopped streaming like around right here, 9:30 a.m. here, right around 680, and I said I was gonna hold. But I did not expect this spike here to happen after hours. I mean, before close, and then yet again we had an after-hour push. So that's good. Okay, let me see. We have what, 16 minutes left before the market opens. BTC should climb again. I haven't taken a look at Bitcoin. Let me see. Probably that's why Tesla's also weighing down. 49. So it looks like it's almost bouncing off that previous support we had here. It was so close to touching that. Would I buy here? Absolutely not. Let's see AMC. 732. I'm kind of glad it's holding these levels, guys. These are some pretty strong levels to hold pre-market. So if we pull back to like maybe 650s, I'll add more shares. I thought for some reason I woke up like in the middle of the night thinking AMC earnings were today, but they're not. They're tomorrow. But people told me that they got moved to March 9th or 5th. Is that true? Did you guys hear about that? I did not hear about that. I still think they're tomorrow. How's GameStop doing? Still 44. So even with like these dips here, market open, there's still demand. They get bought up and it holds support. Support's right around 4260s. Give me 1 second. Let's see how my Walmart play is doing. Should we add more on this Walmart play? It looks like it held the 135s. We added 5 more shares yesterday. We're still in at an average price of 138.27, which happens to be that first trading range we had here the first couple of days. It gapped down or pulled back. So anything sub 135, I might add a little bit more. 135 was that 4 hours support we had here back in September. All cryptos fell Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, I think that's also a reason why we had a market pullback. Literally everything was pulling back. What do you think of SYPR as a play today? SYPR. Oh shoot. What's going on with this stock? US Defense Prime Contractor. Defense Contract Award. Do we have some legs on this one? That's the question. The daily chart's looking kind of weird. We had some spikes, but it doesn't hold. It keeps on pulling back. Slight uptrend. But keep in mind we're at almost $7. I don't know how comfortable I feel buying this, honestly. Contract announced, yeah. I don't know how comfortable I feel buying this. I really don't know much about the company. 13 minutes and the market opens. I'm very excited to see what happens today. How's my NQ doing? Just holding support, holding this pullback we had here. Are you guys taking a look at the 10-year? The 10-year note or yield? It's like at 1.4, I think. I wonder how I looked that up on here. I forgot under what ticker it is. Let me see if I can find it. That's another reason why NQ was pulling back. That's another reason I also want to sell some of my Tesla, just to be safe, just to play it safe. Hopefully we don't come back down to test these support levels that we did yesterday. That would not be good. And from the looks of it, it looks like it wants to. I need to mute this. Or my phone, I need to mute my phone. CCIV, still right around that $36 range. Looks like this will be strong support today. I don't want to jinx it. 5 shares. We have 5 shares at 32 bucks. So we bought here at the dip yesterday at market open. 1 hour getting off rejected off the EMA. If we do get a pop on the 1 hour, possibly see 43. Can we see 43? That would be a good play here. If we curl up and possibly 43, maybe even 50 bucks. If it comes on down, it's in a retest 32 and it could come down and possibly hit 29 again, back at this trading range. So they're all trading ranges basically. Alrighty. 11 minutes. What program you use? This is Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade. What do you think about Rolls-Royce? Yeah, someone mentioned that in our free Discord. Someone brought that up. I think they're on the OTC, right? Over the counter market. Should be a good investment if airports start having income. What's their ticker? It would be funny if it's RR. I think it's RYCE. No, it's not. Rolls RYCEF. Is this it? There's no movement at all. 4 hour. I could kind of see why you want to buy this. I could kind of see why you want to play it. On the daily. SMA been getting rejected. Got rejected here at 368. At 317. It's about to test SMA again. So if it does get rejected and it comes down under 1, maybe I'll swoop up some shares. But I don't think I'll be too confident about a play. Day trade? Absolutely not. And I don't think people are out there buying Rolls Royces. Okay, let's see what kind of news we got today. England reopening dates won't be brought forward. Okay. SNDL, most active volume pre-market. Slight push. I'm still waiting for sub $1 on this one. Haven't seen a lot of momentum upward. Just pretty much pulling back a little bit, finding some support. Let's see if we can hold $1. I think they have a compliance too to hold above $1 before June or July. What's up, Bar? No problem, Benji. Copy and paste this. Yeah, if you guys haven't subbed, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate if you guys drop a like on the video as well. It really helps it out. Helps out the channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys. CCIV. PLTR is another one I want in at. Let's see. The dip I was here as well. A CCIV similar dip here at 24. Can we see a retest of that level today? We'll find out. Tesla, how you doing? Not looking good. I have a feeling it's gonna dump to 700, man. I'm gonna unload off a couple shares at market open. GME wants to go. Yeah, GME needs to follow AMC. Come on, we need back to 50 bucks. We were talking about GME in our chat yesterday. Yeah, I appreciate if you guys subscribe. We go live every day, Monday through Friday. We'll be covering AMC earnings call tomorrow live. If it's not changed till March, which I don't think it is. Are you doing the Powell meeting today? I don't think so. I have a meeting to go to, so I have to meet with one of my marketing clients. I don't think I'll be able to do the Powell meeting, but hopefully we get the same reaction we did yesterday today. He literally saved me. He saved everybody. So we were dumping on Tesla very, very harshly, and then look at that rebound. Look at that rebound, man. This is what day trading, this is what it's about. If you're able to catch these dips, these pullbacks, and sell into the rips, that's amazing. We got in super late. We got in at 6. We got in super early actually. We bought 15 shares at 638, and then I tried to sell. I had paper hands on this one, and I tried to sell, and my order didn't go through completely, and it sold like 2 shares, and I sold a couple more as it started ripping up here, and look, we're at 710 right now. What's up, Brian? You helped me make a lot of money yesterday. Thank you. What's your take on Tesla? I'm pretty sure you bought Tesla, right? Or AMC as well. I remember seeing your comment. What's your take on Tesla? For Tesla, I'd be definitely watching NQ, the Nasdaq, which is not looking good. It's looking like it's double bottoming here, about to test that support. I don't want to see the retest of these lows as we did yesterday. I don't want to come down to these levels, so I'm going to be unloading some shares just to play it safe, just to lock in some of those profits we have. I'll be busy midday, so I don't think I'll be able to monitor my positions. I don't think I'll feel comfortable. Also have Powell speaking, so we'll see what happens. It hit the price I think got in a couple days ago, 732. So if that's not a sign for me to get out, I don't know what is. Four hour. Oh no, I don't want to get another alert. No. No, NQ's dropping. Buttered popcorn or kettle corn for breakfast? None. A banana. I had a banana and I have some coffee. Yeah, I paper hands bar. I mean, 15 shares on Tesla when it's dropping like that, it doesn't make me feel comfortable, you know? Jinx, I'm not sure what you mean. Do you know where I can find it at? Oh, Powell meeting? Um, they should be on Yahoo. Go to Yahoo's YouTube. Go to YouTube and put Yahoo Finance, and I think they're streaming it. They were yesterday. Yeah, market's still bleeding, man. Lyft. Let's see. Lyft is introducing a Lyft ride, a service that lets one request a ride by phone. No app required. Interesting. AMC hitting lows 710, good time to buy. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor first and foremost, but my price to buy in at on the dip was around $5 when it was at support. I added a couple more shares here when it was at support. I do plan to add if it goes to 650. I don't know about 710. So I'm playing the patiently, but if I miss out and if it pushes up to $8, which is our price target, then I miss out. But AMC, I'm more long term as well. I think there could be definitely more spikes on AMC to come. New York just opened theaters. I believe on March 5th or 9th they're going to be opening. More states to follow. Vaccine distribution, that's all going to be a big factor. So we have 3 minutes before the market opens. Let's see. Yes, by AMC, it's going to be a big Wall Street bet saying it's going to be another GME. I saw that, and I also saw that Wall Street Bets was trashing on AMC before. So they were clowning AMC, and now they're for it, you know. So if it does go crazy and there's like massive hysteria and euphoria in that Reddit thread, then I wouldn't be surprised if it rallies back to 15 bucks. I see a lot of people calling it a crash. Your thoughts? Mm, I think I'd call it a slight correction. Take a look at the 4 hour. Look at this pullback we had here, mid like January. It bounced right back off that support and we hit new highs. So we're still at these levels here. If it crashes, I'd call it a crash if we come down like this level here, which I don't think the Fed would allow. If I'm being honest. 2 minutes Snapchat. What do I think about Snapchat? I just deleted my Snapchat, by the way. I don't really use Snapchat, so I don't know how I feel about buying this stock, but holy smokes. What kind of news do we have here? This is not a normal. Look at that volume. This isn't. There had to be some news on here. There had to be some news. 70 bucks, man. I remember when this IPO'd, I was trading it like at 28 bucks. Now it's at 70. It IPO'd. Damn. Tesla. Let's see. Please tell me it's going up. Oof. We're so close. We have 1 minute before market open. It's at 712. I'm probably gonna unload like 3, 4 shares, maybe even 5. Is this just like frozen or what? Okay, let's go. Bullish candle. Let's go. 1 minute. NQ. Are we bouncing? A little bit, slightly. Check out load. I added 42 shares of AMC this morning. Let's go. Load. Comes up mining. They have earnings as well, aftermarket. So, let's see. Kind of interesting. I'm probably gonna pass on it though. My focus mainly is on AMC earnings. All right, 28 seconds. So, all right, there we go. Market open. Let's see if I could get rid of 5 shares right here. Oh, strong open or no? Strong open or no? Come on. No, I'm not buying it. So it might lag on that fill. See if I get filled. NQ, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? AMC gotta hold that 720. Yeah, let's hold 7s today on AMC. 100%. NQ's pushing. Tesla's still being choppy. I'm telling you, I think it's gonna come at 700 again. I don't think my order would get filled in here. I canceled it, right? Okay, see, it says canceled. Let's see. It's coming back up. All right, it's going up. If it filled my sell order, that'll be bad. Okay, wait. Let's see. I'll tell you right now if it filled me. Okay, no, I did not fill it. All right, let's go. Push, baby. See, sometimes these delays save me, and sometimes they make me money. That's the weirdest part. Like, not being able to sell or buy sometimes save me, but sometimes they really screw me. So, sell 2 more shares. Is it going to fill? Is it going to fill? All right, there we go. We have 13 shares. We're locking in some of those profits, playing it safe. I might move some of these profits into AMC. NQ. Oh, we had a nice, pretty little spike here, but still getting sold off. GME. What's going on with GME? Let's go back to 50 bucks, baby. GameStop needs to announce some esports, guys. They've been really quiet. Is it just me, or have I not heard anything from GameStop? Like, from the company itself? Let's go AMC. Let's go. Let's see. $8 today. CCIV. How are we doing on that? Coming down a little bit. PLTR. I won in. Still 20, 26. Another SPAC I won is FRX. Still 14 over 46. Yeah, baby. Let's go GME. Ooh, 47. That's the thing here. Just my technical analysis on GME. I'd love it to hold above $50 on the 4-hour and just do literally what AMC has done. Cup and handle. Look at this. Beautiful. So we need plus $8 on AMC, and on GME we need a push above. It'd be amazing if we got back to the $70 mark. See how Tesla's doing. Oh my god, Tesla's roaring, baby. Oh, holy smokes. What did we get rid of? Like, what? 4 shares? So, played it safe. It's not always bad to lock in profits and play it safe. NQ's probably ripping right now. Alright, let's see another spike. Let's see another spike. Spy's pushing. AMC 735. GME, what are we at? GME 4680. GSAT. I remember Global Star, man. I was trading this like when I first started trading stocks. This was also one of my first stocks that I've traded, and I've heard a lot of people mention this. Satellite company. Man. This is another one of those memories. Nostalgic stocks. GSAT. GME over 50? No. Oh. I thought you said over 50. So close. 47.40. Alright, let's unload off 3 more shares here of Tesla. Wait, is it still gonna rip? Okay, let's play it safe. Alright, there we go. Sold 3 more. We can always buy back, no worries. 5-minute. If the 5-minute reaches 733 and we break out, we could possibly close this gap here at 780. That's the thing. It just depends on your risk tolerance, man. 5-minute EMA is sitting at 716. So let's wait. CCIV having a small little bounce. PLTR is ripping a bit. Let's have our alert here. Alert there. CVX. Chevron. I didn't know this was Chevron. Let's create an alert on this one. Let's take a look at Alibaba. How are we doing on this one? Still not pulling back. One alert here. I'm interested in Alibaba if we pull back to like 240s. White House says won't compromise on scale of stimulus. Apple. Flushing. How's NQ? Ooh, it's pulling back again. Tesla's pulling back. Always good to play it safe. 270. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if we could like day trade this. Let's get 10 shares going. Remind me not to make that mistake I did last time. Let's see if it switches it. So look, I put a 10 shares for the quantity. We go to a different stock. We go back. It's at 25 shares now. I hate how it does that. So we're down under on the EMA on Tesla. I'm watching 706. I don't know how comfortable I'll be buying around 706 because we're so close to 700. Remember, people set their stop losses there, so we saw that before. GME pulling back as well. I think NQ. Oh, AMC's also pulling back. Let's see if we can get in some shares. NQ is definitely weighing down the whole market. Yep, AMC at 7. This pullback still continues. It's still continuing. 710 on Tesla. I'm glad we took some profits up here, but we still have 10 shares. Let's see. Oh shit, I almost made that mistake again. 25.10. Still pulling back, still pulling back. Can we get a bounce here or no? Set an alert. It's bouncing, it's bouncing. 5 minute, what are we at? EMA's at 715. If it drops under 700, I'll take a small position. Let's do 5 shares. My alert did not go off. Thinkorswim, damn it. Alrighty, it's coming. It's coming. Bought 5 shares there. It might continue to drop to 700. Let's see. Let's see if we get a bounce there. It's bouncing. 708. 709. Let's go. What did we get filled in at? Did anybody see? Like 705, right? Still coming down. AMC rebounding. GME still holding 45. CCIV 34. Yeah, futures are selling off. Still, we had a small bounce, but I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced. 1 hour. I don't want to see that double bottom. If we retest these lows here, it could get ugly. So let's go. Look at that rebound. Let's go. Push, baby. Push, push, push. Those 5 shares are coming in clutch. We bought the dip on Tesla. AMC, nice bounce off of 7. Absolutely. But 500 mini's bad. So you're talking about ES, right? /ES, S&P 500 mini. Rest 2K looks like shit. SPY 386. So we're seeing a slight push. It looks like people are what? They're buying the dip. Buy the dip, baby. I know Kathy Wood from ARK, they've been buying Tesla the last couple days. So we're gonna unload. Let's unload the 5 shares we got. Just take that profit on there. Honestly. There. So we sold at 712 and we bought what? 705? So if it comes on down again, we'll buy again. No problem. Let's see, AMC. How's Neo doing? Damn. Following Tesla's footsteps. That's for sure. XPEV similar. Apple's pulling back. Facebook's probably pulling back. Amazon pulling back. Netflix. PLTR's coming down. Let's see. 15 minute. Of course, we're going to have an alert here. That's where the support level seems to be at. I'm afraid this alert won't go off if we drop here. Look, see, it did not go off. Alright, what are we at? What are we at? Looks like it's trying to hold that support level here. Like I said, I don't want to see sub 700 on Tesla. Late alert, late alert, late alert. If AMC holds 7 today, I'll be happy. If it holds above 7 today, I'll be happy. Headed into earnings tomorrow. Possibly pull back, hold 7, and then rip tomorrow on earnings. That's my little plan right there. That's a plan. Let's hold 7. Anything above that, it's a win. 10-year going up. Look how choppy it is. Pulls back, bounces, pulls back even more, bounces. No clear pattern yet. GameStop. Holding 45. I don't want to see sub 40 on GameStop, honestly, guys. I think their earnings are March 26th, and their CFO is resigning on that day. Nokia, no. Walmart, still coming down. Damn it, Walmart. I think they had news today, like a strategic partnership too. Here it is. Big Commerce shares up 2.6 following earlier press release reporting new partnership with Walmart. And it's still dropping. So, not a lot of shares. So, we're only down, what, $60 since open. So, I'm still going to be holding Walmart. AMC. Here she comes, 737. The CFO leaving is such a good news. Yeah, I kind of did some research on. I saw some post, and I looked into him that he had like a horrible past with companies. So I think it could be good news. What are the odds that Roaring Kitty replaces him? Morning Reese. Ideas on CCIV. For the day ahead, I'm still holding my shares. I plan to add more if we dip to $30. Mass whole. What about CCIV? Yeah. Same thing. I plan to add more if we dip. I only have 5 shares at 32, so I bought the dip yesterday. It's at 34, so it's trading within this range, this wedge. On the 1 hour, like I said, if we come down under 33, we could retest that support right around $29. But this is like a long-term play for me. That's the way I see it. I don't really plan to sell unless there's like some crazy news. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, see, Tesla's at 702. Why am I not getting alerted? 702. Let's see. Is it going to crack 700? So close. Let's get ready. Yeah, long-term hold, I think, with this. I bought at 35. Yeah, not so far from where I bought. I think that's a pretty good entry for long-term. Playing the long-term game on this one. There could be definitely a lot of catalysts in the year to come from the deliveries, any new announcements that could also cause the stock to pop. First deliveries and whatnot. 703. Is it going to hold 700? We'll see. Still have to monitor NQ. Let's set some alerts on NQ. AMC 750. Oh, you'd love to see it. 750. Let's break past that pre-market resistance. Uh, 45 on GameStop. Tesla slightly rebounding. Neo as well, right? 49. Baba. Bro, AMC with that crazy comeback. Yeah, it bounced off the whole number support, $7. There's demand, baby. People are buying the dip today. Even on Tesla, they're not letting it sink sub 700. Fisker, I think, also had news. Wait, what's Fisker's ticker? I'm having a brain fart. I'm having a massive brain fart. I can't remember Fisker's ticker. I think they also had some news. Facebook's one I've been watching, waiting for it to sink under the support level, 250s. We gotta break 787 with authority. Yeah, let's head to $8. If I see AMC at $8 today, I'm gonna be a happy man. Let's see $8. 750. BA Boeing. Let's go. What's up with Boeing? 215. Boeing has to be like one of the most choppiest stocks I've ever seen. Look at this. This is insane. Look how well it pushes up and it doesn't pull back. That's crazy. Like it's pushing right now. NQ is at or above, really. FSR, right, Fisker? NQ's pulling up. But I don't trust this push up, guys. I don't trust it. I think it could still get rejected. Hopefully I'm wrong and we see a rebound, but I don't think it'll push up even further. We have Powell, keep in mind, so let's see what he does. FSR. Fisker, there we go. Yep, this is the news. I couldn't think of the ticker for some reason. 21 bucks. Shout out to Parker in our Discord. He called this out when it was, what, 10 bucks? He bought some at 10 bucks. So I'm happy for him. He's the one who brought SNDL to my attention. Guys, if you guys are in our free Discord, make sure it's pinned right here in the comments. There's a lot of free value there. He brought up all the cannabis stocks last year in November. He made everybody some money. And Fisker right now, they had some news today. Can't see the tab. So that's where that volume's coming in. Let's check the heat map. What are we doing on the heat map? How's it looking? Pretty mixed still. Better than yesterday. That's for sure. Yeah, timing on BA has to be on the spot. I always picture plays that I could have done, which is very bad for your mental health. But my big play would have been on B8 right here. I remember this. Look at this double bottom. I was waiting for it to come down, and I was gonna buy at 120 in the 120s. My idea right there, but it bounced right off of that previous support, gapped up, and never saw that support again. The Discord is lovely. I love the diversity of members. Yeah, it's a really great Discord, guys. I try not to promote like people just spamming in there, like just spamming AMC, AMC, AMC. I don't like that. I like when you put your position and your analysis and your thoughts. Very intellectual conversations. I love it. So, see AMC. How's AMC doing? Still 750s. Kind of some slight resistance right around the $half $1 mark there at 750. 750s. Once we blow past 750s, set an alert here. It's above 757. We have to test 786. GME. It's curling up, baby. Little weird cup and handle action going on, but if we get above this resistance level, we could possibly see 50s by the end of the week. I love it. I love to see it. I love to see it. You guys keep bringing up Snapchat in the chat. 73, man. How's Anki doing? Pulling back or breaking out? Oh, it's breaking out actually this time. That's good. So the next support level, resistance level we have here is right around there. So I didn't think we would have broke past this, but with Powell coming up, I think people are bullish on what he's about to say. I hope CCIV finishes off at around $40. It can get a strong pickup. Yeah, I think this panic here. I was thinking of buying after hours that day. People were telling me, Ralph, why aren't you buying after hours if you're gonna buy tomorrow? I think it could come lower tomorrow. I think people can dump and panic sell, and that's exactly what happened. It fell to 30. I don't know why I kind of have this bad vibe of Nikola. I don't know, I just don't like it. I just don't like the stock. This is like, I don't hate it, but I just don't like the stock. It's very choppy. Very choppy. I did not trade it once here. I did not buy ever a share of Nikola. And with earnings right around the corner, it's not looking good. Look, it's dumping. AMC is doing better than Nikola. Technical wise, AMC is pushing into earnings. SNSS taking off, says Ghost. I made 5K off of N. Congrats. I'm just now taking off. Okay, let's take a look. Congrats on your profits. Holy smokes. You guys brought this up today, right? Pre-market? I said I wouldn't buy it, and look, it's at 615. Make sure you lock in some profits. Lock in some profits. Not telling you what to do, but just telling you what I would do. Lock in half and just ride the rest, baby. That's big mistakes I've always learned. It's not profits until you take them, you know? So, yeah, it's a complete scam, Nikola. Bad vibes. Even without the founding scam artist Trevor Milton getting boosted. 620s on SNSS. Or booted. Booted, you meant. Yeah, I understand what you meant. But yeah, look, Tesla bounced off 702. I'm glad it did not sink under 700. Under 700 would have been ugly. We locked in some profits there at the top. You know what? Let's actually sell 5 more shares here. I'm gonna be gone later on, so I don't want to just hold 10 shares and it come all the way down under. If if the market starts coming back down. So we'll lock in some profits there on the day. Um, I kind of want to buy more AMC. I want to buy way more AMC. Trevor Milton, right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Nikola is just a scam, pretty much. Their core tech is made by Bosk. Yeah, I wouldn't touch Nikola at all. Would there have been a play when it was popping up? Absolutely. I think there would have been there was definitely volatility, momentum for a day trade. I didn't buy. There's a big difference between day trading a stock and investing in a stock, so don't get that mixed up. I know it might seem obvious, but some people don't really understand that yet. Damn, we watched we watched it, SNSS, and saw a spike yesterday. Shout out to I forgot who brought it up. S&P 500 financial index hits record high. Last up 0.5%. Russia lowers shares of US dollar and euro and NWF to 35% from 45. Blah blah blah. Yeah, Ghost. Happy for your profits. Make sure you lock those profits in, man. What software are you using there? This is to Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade. So even this is probably one of the best charting softwares I've ever used in my life, ever. Better than any other out there. I've used E-Trade and whatnot, but this is the best one. You don't have to trade on here. You could use this for charting and then trade whatever else you want. Webull, etc. Not Robinhood, okay? Not Robinhood. But yeah, you could fund the account with like $50 and just use their charting software, and they won't shut down your account or anything. Anyone buying Doge, guys? Did you guys? I woke up and I just saw a tweet by Elon. He was let's see if I could find it. Let me see. Uh yeah, so this is Think or Swim. Look at this. Elon, 5 in the morning on the actual moon. I feel bad for this guy. Elon, you tricked. I bought Doge with school money and sold at a loss. Please, Elon, don't trick the others like you tricked me. That's the thing with Doge. With Doge, man, if I'm gonna buy at a penny, I know it's money I'm willing to lose. You know? Don't don't play with like your school money. That's absolutely horrible. Don't do that. Like Doge is literally a meme, guys. It's a meme. Oh, and Q's pulling back. So I guess I was kind of right. It's still getting. There's still some resistance here. There isn't a breakout. Hopefully Powell could save us again. Thoughts on RCL long term? Wait, Royal Caribbean. Is this the cruise line? Right? This is the cruise line, right? Yeah, cruise surge from 30%. Um, damn, look at that weekly. It's about to close in that gap. It was at $19. AMC's pushing. I was about to say that. I'd rather put in my money in AMC, something that really hasn't seen a momentum upward like Royal Caribbean. I feel like it'd be more risky for me to buy here on Royal Caribbean long term. Maybe on a dip back to like $70 long term. But AMC, I think, hasn't really seen that much of a push yet. I think that's why I think AMC is so undervalued. And we're pushing, baby. 757. Let's go. Let's retest these highs. Let's go. And like I've never been like on a cruise. So I think that's also affects my thought process. Like AMC, I love the theaters. I don't have an FX account. I think it's just more like traditional just to go to a theater. The environment, you could hear people's reactions. Maybe just me. Maybe just me. But I think theaters are gonna be around forever. Doge stinks of pump and dump, and though I know so many who bought a high and I bought at 5 cents and I took an L and are sitting on losses. As soon as I took the L, it shot up on Super Bowl to like 8 cents again. I was pretty pissed. I was like, you know, I'm not gonna buy until it comes back to like a penny again. So I took the L. Seems like I make money when I take the biggest when I take the biggest risk. There's definitely that thrill. I mean, it takes money to make money. That type of mindset. Um, it's scared of money, don't make money. All those sayings, but be careful. You know, you don't always want to go all in on any stock. Thoughts on Sundial? Hold on, let me see this push because it's just beautiful on AMC. 764. Can you guys believe I was buying AMC at $2.50 and I took profits at 4? Literally the day it shot up after hours. Like I sold on this day before it shot up after hours. I was so pissed. But it's pushing, baby. 767. Sundial, I'm waiting to get in cannabis again under a penny. Under a dollar. I'm thinking of Doge. Under a dollar on SNDL for long term. Robinhood blocking AMC buys right now? You're kidding. I actually have a Robinhood account with 16 bucks. It's on my phone though. I'm using my phone as my camera. I'm gonna try to see if I could buy. I have like 16 bucks in my Robinhood. Like I'm gonna see if I can log in. Let me see. Robinhood. I can't get Dogecoin on Cash App. Use Binance never approved my application, and I got on Blockfolio instant right away. I was able to buy. But the thing is, you can't withdraw your money after for some reason. Your money's stuck in there, so just keep that in mind. Let's go 770. So yeah, Sundial, I'm looking to get in under a dollar for cannabis. I took my profits on Sundial. I did not look back. 768, baby. I like the stock. Robinhood isn't blocking, dude is trolling. Yeah, I don't think that'll be smart move for them to block buying. 773, let's go. We're so close to 786. Let's go. All right, I was able to log into my account. Okay, they're gonna send me a text. Let me see. Damn it. You have 10 notifications. All right, got it. Oh my God, 779. It's roaring, baby. AMC's pushing. All right, look, I got my Robinhood pulled up. The legendary. I can't. Why can't I move it? It's like 784. We're literally hitting new highs. Take a look at this. I got wrecked on Robinhood, bro. I got clapped on Robinhood. Alright, 5 minutes. Let's go. 786. Damn it, there's some selling pressure right. Literally, I think we tested the high. Isn't the second hearing with the SEC tomorrow or next week? People were saying 5 days from the day we had it, which was last Thursday, right? But I don't know. There really isn't a date. You can use Voyager to buy Doge. I put a referral if needed. Or Blockfolio, they allowed me. There it is. 786. New high. Come on. Come on. Apple falling. Oof. NQ is probably pulling back. Oh, it tested the support here. It's not looking good. You guys see this pattern here? What is this? Someone tell me what pattern this is. You guys gotta know your patterns. What pattern is this? Tesla's still pulling back. I'm glad we took some profits. I'm glad we just sold those 5 shares there. Ah, tech's falling. Facebook's probably falling. AMC, come on, new high. 789. New high. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. NQ. Pulling back. Damn. Always best to play it safe, guys. It's always best to play it safe. Cciv selling off big? No, that's not selling off. Same pattern here as NQ. What do you guys see? What pattern is this? There's more downside to come, I think. No one guessed the pattern. It's a simple pattern. Come on, guys. Tesla. What is the pattern? It's a descending triangle. Simple. Lower highs holding at a support level and it cracks down. We didn't break 787 by 2 cents, 789. So, couple cents. My Tesla is pulling back a bit. My favorite stonk right here, Tesla. I just love the volatility on Tesla. I love it. Bear pennant. I guess you can say it's a bear pennant. Yeah. Bearish pennant. Yeah. So let's see. GSV about to blow up. Gold. 3-week. I don't see a day trade on here. Pretty much flat on the 4-hour, just trading sideways. So to the upside, we went up, retreated on AMC, right? Is that what you're talking about? Sevens. Oh, it's bouncing off the EMA. Let's see if we can push. How's GameStop? GameStop's creeping, guys. It's creeping. Let me see. Yeah, Apple leading the way down. Yeah, NQ's just pulling tech down. CCIV is still pulling back. You see that descending triangle? 99% of the time, it's gonna crack. This is like the most beautiful example of a descending triangle right there. So buying here does not make sense to me. Like this pattern, lower highs, the whole market is weighing down. It wouldn't make sense to buy. So we wait. Merger rumors. So you're trying to buy the rumor, sell the news? Maybe in a few years I'll have profit on GME. Maybe in a month, bro. I haven't heard anything from the company. So let's see what type of announcements they have for us, guys. So just I think that day, that weekend is gonna be like the make or break for GME. Like my thoughts on it. That's gonna be where we're clearly going on for GME or where we're headed. I'm usually very optimistic. I'm very positive, so let's hope for the best. Watching the VIX creep towards 25. Yeah, the VIX. What was it, like at $30 last week? Every time I see the VIX, I just think of 50 Cent, the rapper, the artist. Because last year he bought like some calls, like right around here. He bought like so many millions of calls. He bought millions of dollars worth of calls, and it shot up. So his profit was like insane. So I always think of that when I pull up the VIX. SPY's pulling back. Oh my god, NQ's bleeding, guys. Tesla bleeding under 700? 701. Look how much it's gonna pull back. 700. Stop loss is going off? No. 699. 698. 699. And people buying the dip. Let's see. Where's my 5-minute at? EMA. EMA is creeping at 709. We're getting some action here. People are buying the dip at 700. I guess. Oh, Powell's going live, guys. I guess that's why NQ's selling off. So actually, you know what? We're having a slight bounce here. I'm kind of debating. Should I just sell 5 shares of Tesla and just buy back later if we dip? Because I wouldn't doubt it if we retest support back at this range of yesterday. J&J vaccine play. I've seen that. I try to avoid the vaccine plays. Pfizer. I'm having like the massive brain fart. I can't remember the symbol. Pfizer. I wouldn't trade the vaccine plays. Official approval tomorrow. Set up right now to go back to 156, 165 in a few days. It's like a lottery. Like, 4 hour, it's double bottoming here. I don't think it's more risky for me to buy here at double bottom. AMC 780, we're back. I can't forget. I can't. I'm having like a massive break from. I can't think of the Pfizer ticker. Too many tickers and numbers. Let's go. It's bouncing. AMC's bouncing off the EMA on the 1 minute. Can we see $8 today? I want to see $8. So Powell's about to go live right now. You think Apple is a good day trade? I love the momentum on Tesla more than Apple. I guess Tesla's my favorite stock. I like the stock. So I try to trade Apple sometimes, but I feel like Apple pulls back even more than Tesla. I just find it odd. AMC pushing good volume. Yeah, people are anticipating $8 today. I love the stonk. PFE, thank you. Man, I can't think right now. Yeah, I would avoid vaccine plays. This is a play where I think that if you get in right as like the whole pandemic starts and you just speculate on them producing the vaccine, you get in cheap and you just sell at these highs at the rips. But as it's pulling back here on the day, you can see here still rejected off EMA. If we pull back under 32, I'll probably consider a play if we retest lows like really low. Like I'm talking $29, 28. Yeah, PLTR. Yeah, I'm trying to get in PLTR, guys. PLTR as it comes down. Palantir around 24. At 24, I'll throw in a couple shares, but not fully my full position. Why? Because if it cracks 24, it could see $18. I'm in guild, late to the ball game. Yeah, that's exactly my mindset. I feel like I'm late. Like if I didn't get in before, then I'm pretty much like chasing it. And you guys know me. I love to buy the dips. So that's just my strategy. Tesla rejected off EMA on the 1 minute. Can we see sub 700? There it is, 701 again. 701. 700, 700. Let me see. Pull up. That bid is stacked up at 700. People are buying. Is there more sellers than buyers? 699. 700 again. I'm kind of debating, should I get in now or should I wait? How's NQ doing? How's NQ? Pulling back still or bouncing? Got rejected off EMA. Let's say our alert. I think people are just... Is Powell speaking already, right? Let's see. Yeah, they're already live. Let's see. Bouncing. NQ's bouncing. Tesla's probably bouncing too off the support. I'm not buying it. I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced on Tesla. You own MBIS? I had an alert on MBIS yesterday. I think I was interested at $13 on this stock. So you could kind of see it got rejected here. It could possibly double bottom here. Let's set an alert. Kind of like how it's been uptrending on the 4 hour. I like that uptrend here. It's not very choppy. You can see here we had a rally here to like $9, pulled back, found some support, higher lows, still above the SMA. Let's see if we could come test the SMA here again. I'm in on Tesla now, heavy. Be careful. I don't know how comfortable I feel since. Oh, you see, since that $700 mark kind of makes me eerie, makes me scared. A couple days ago we were talking about it. The $half marks, right around here. 750. Where was it? Right here, 750s on Monday. People set their stop losses and look how much that candle went down. And you guys remember that day? It went to 740, like in a split second. Like a split second, literally like seconds. Where are they? Show Powell. Hold on, I'll see if I could put the Powell, but I don't think we can stream the Powell completely because I have to go in a bit. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys leave a like on the video. It tremendously helps out the channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Subscribe. We go live Monday through Friday every single day. Tomorrow I'm gonna be super excited because we have AMC earnings after the market closes. Hopefully the rumors aren't true that they switched it to March 9 and the earnings are tomorrow. So how's AMC doing? Still trending right around the support, 766 support. I don't know how strongly it's gonna hold that support level. I'd rather have it come down to 750s, hold that support level strongly, and then bounce. I don't know how I feel about it holding here at 766, but I don't want to see $7 under $7 today. Let's hold above 7. CCIV is one I don't want to miss. As you can see here, we're still getting rejected. Bullish pennant, bearish triangle, descending triangle. But CCIV, remember, I'm going in long term, guys. This is one of my long term plays. There's definitely going to be a lot of catalysts coming this year for CCIV that can definitely cause it to spike up again. So I'm literally, what I'm saying is this could be the next Tesla. It's like investing Tesla when they were cheap, when they were first coming out. CNBC doing live YouTube coverage of J Powell. Yeah, you could go on Yahoo Finance. I think they're live there too. PLTR. Still kind of flat, not doing much. AMC 776. Let's go. 777. Lucky number. GME slowly creeping higher lows. Still has the resistance here at 46. Let's break past this resistance and retest 47.54. NQ. Back to NQ. How are we doing? Bouncing? Slight bounce. We have Powell speaking, so we're going to see some choppiness. Definitely more volume coming in. Like I said, I don't want it to get ugly. If we retest these lows here, it can get real bloody real quick. These lows here. These shaded gray areas. But last time we retested it, we bounced and hit new highs, which blows my mind. So be careful with these lows here. Crash? I don't think so. Correction? Small pullback? Retracement? Yes, I think so. Yeah, the market's like crazy right now. J&J? Yeah, someone brought it up early. Someone brought it up earlier for the vaccine. GME, baby, let's push. Let's break out. I would avoid vaccine plays, honestly. Riot, blockchain. People brought this one up to my attention as well. Was GME rocketing or what? Can you guys like hear the juicer in the background? Riot. I don't see a play here necessarily, honestly. Gap up, gapping down. Possibly, you know what? I like being optimistic. Let's see. Okay, wait. Is AMC moving? Let's set an alert. Maybe I'll come back to Riot. I've seen a lot of people talking about Riot. AMC, please, $8. Please, $8. Nope, still 777. Hey, after watching AMC since the start of the week, I feel bad for not buying in late last week when your price was around 535. You were right on your analysis. Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah, it was holding support. That was one of my first signs of my plan, being bullish on the stock. I love AMC since $2.50. I've been trading it since $2.50. I think they're way it was way undervalued, way oversold. And it got rejected here off the EMA a couple times. Found some support. GameStop, similar situation, but GameStop is pulling back a little bit under support, which is at $50. But AMC has that catalyst. This is why my gut is leaning more towards AMC. It has that catalyst headed into earnings. They're reopening up theaters. So I'm like, you know what? It makes sense. So it broke past that EMA, that resistance here. We had a couple peaks here at 658 3 times. That kind of also gave me a sign that, hey, it's hinting me that's about to blow. It's about to break. And I said my price target was $8 to $10. And it's nice to see it be at 791 as we speak. I love it. 794 new highs. Let's go. So yeah, the buy-in was like at 5 something. I'm in for the long run, looking into the future. Yeah, I'm holding AMC long run, CCIV long term. This is some of my long term holds, and I plan on buying on more on the dip. Anyone else holding a bag on BlackBerry? BlackBerry just fell into one of the mixture of those hype stocks. Build-A-Bear, right? What's BBW? Build-A-Bear is also another one. Naked, Nokia, and AMC just happened to be one people saw more value in, and that's why it's pushing up. Holy smokes, Jimmy broke past that resistance here. Let's go. Let's go back to $50. Let's go back to $50, baby. Cooling up. Can we see some similar cup and handle price action on GME? We're gonna have to break past $50 first, and then we'll start the momentum. I think that could bring in more buyers. Yeah, let's go AMC. It's such a good feeling to see it almost hit $8. I literally need to see it hit $8 before we end the stream. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like on the video. I appreciate that. I'm all for AMC, but I feel like it'll drop after earnings. Yeah, I hate to say it. I love AMC, but my plan, even with earnings on any stock, Tesla, Apple, any stock, is they rally into earnings and usually they tend to dump. They tend to pull back. Now, what could possibly happen if we pull back on AMC? I don't want to see a pullback. No, under 650. Nothing under 650. That would be my little plan there. 650. I don't want to see less than that price. But depending on how the earnings call goes, there could be more push upward, more momentum upward. So Nokia, I have a giant bag I'm holding. On what are you in a Nokia at? Yeah, see, Nokia, similar thing. Rejected off the EMA. No sign of support, no curling up, not really much of a catalyst. So like and share, subscribe. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Live here every single morning, Monday through Friday. Tesla bounced off 694. But again, similar thing to yesterday. Are we going to see some resistance here and keep on coming down, or are we going to break out? So very choppy so far. We have Powell speaking right now, NQ pushing up. That's good to see. We don't want to retest those lows. I have an $8 strike on AMC. Let's go. I know you have a meeting, but you back for close today or just again tomorrow? Usually after that I go work out, and yesterday I couldn't work out. I was just very busy. But I think I could go live. I think I could go live at market close, honestly. I think I go live. Do you guys want me to go live at market close today? But UAMY, you and me. Up 30%. Nice, congrats. Always when you're up. I'm not a financial advisor, but from my experience, it just makes sense to lock in some profits. You never go broke taking 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 profits. Remember that. I remember that. And when you cut losses, cut your losses. You live to see another day in the markets. I've had it before. Couple $1,000 loss turns like crazy, and then you're stuck. You're stuck. So you can never go wrong taking profits, man. Slowly but surely, I promise you, this is what happens. You start accumulating more capital. You're able to size in heavier on positions, and your portfolio grows, man. It's such a great feeling. Like Tesla today, we had what, 17 shares at market open. We locked in some profits. You go broke. You go broke paying taxes. That too. That's one thing I overlooked definitely when I first started trading. Also, don't go out and just splurge. And I'd say just set aside. Like I already talked to my CPA. I have everything settled for taxes too. So don't slack on that. Taxes too. HD swing trades have been nice. I'm kind of stupid or something. I don't know what HD swing trades. Is that like a stock? HD? Home Depot? Oh, Home Depot. Is that what you mean? Holy smokes, that 1 hour candle here. I might be interested. 4 hour. I'm kind of interested. I'm getting interested. On the daily. Ooh. They have a dividend coming up, guys. So earnings. Look. We had a 261 bounce early January. Rallied kind of into earnings and then dumped. This is what I'm scared. AMC will dump headed into earnings. I hate to say it. I love AMC, but that's just the way I see it. I keep it real. So be very careful. Oh, it looks like we might have some cup and handle action forming here. Maybe a spike back to 259, 260s. I'm feeling the stock a bit. Home Depot stock. AMC, Disney. Let's say we get under a little bit more. I'll be interested. Thank you for bringing up HD Home Depot. I thought HD meant something else. $8. Let's go. Let's go. $8. Disney. What's Disney doing? $200. Man, Disney was one of those other places you just buy when the pandemic went parabolic and crazy back in last year. Disney. It's super choppy too, man. FRX. I'm buying FRX, guys. I'm buying Forest Road. Forest Road, baby. I'm trying to get in. I'm trying to pay at least 12, 13 bucks. Right around here. This is one of my other YOLO plays. This is like my Doge play right here. Another YOLO play. Oh yeah, I'll go live market close for you guys. AMC just hit $8. You guys don't know 803 how happy I am, man. I've just been waiting. It was at $5. I'm like, it could go to 8 to 10. It could go to 8 to 10. Uh, I could give you guys updates on Powell. Let me see. Fisker CEO tells Reuters vehicle on the new platform will be futuristic, affordable, and something completely different. That gives me goosebumps. Let me see. How's Fisker doing? That's why we kind of had a gap up here this morning on the news. Still kind of pulling back. Shout out to Parker in our free Discord chat. If you guys aren't on our Discord, make sure you guys join that. A lot of free value in there, free plays. He got in at $10 a share. He told me to buy. I didn't really believe in the company. I didn't really see the vision. I'm more for Tesla. Honestly, I love Tesla. I love Elon. So, Fisker. So let me see what they have going on. Some people are saying it's a Tesla killer. I don't know. I think Lucid. I'm more likely to put my money more in Lucid and CCIV. Powell says United States has 10 million fewer people working than a year ago. That's a lot of people. Let's go. Let's go. Madison. Let's go. Buy HCMC. Yeah, people have brought that stock up. HCMC. You brought it up yesterday, right? Day trade? Absolutely not. It's barcoding. I don't see the momentum, the volatility. On the daily, it looks like it's coming down under EMA. I don't know how I feel about the penny stock. I don't know, man. I don't know. Settlement on February 26th. What? I don't know how I feel about this stock. I don't know, man. 804 AMC, please tell me new high. 807. Holy smokes. CCIV bleeding. Yeah, wait for it to come down just a bit more. I got in at $32 yesterday with 5 shares. Nothing too big. Bullish, bearish triangle on the 1 minute, still coming on down a bit. But again, CCIV for me is long term focus. How's NQ doing? How are we holding up on NQ? What's Powell doing? Again, Daddy Powell, baby, coming to save the day. Powell coming to save the day. But the thing is, same thing here. Look, same thing. Are we gonna see lower highs? Is it gonna get rejected here? We'll see. We'll see. Bought some Neo right now since it's cheap. Yeah, Neo's gonna follow Tesla. Neo's following Tesla. How's Bitcoin? BTC still right around this level. We had the massive crypto sell-off, which added to the selling pressure on the overall market. Market watch. Are we looking on the heat map mix still? AMC. Yeah, AMC is blowing past the $8 wall. 809. Let's go. Let's see. Apple's recovering. What program is that you are using? This is Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. You can use it completely free. Just fund the account with like $50 just to keep it like active. And you can use it for charting. You could trade on Webull, whatever other broker you use. So I found it really amazing. AMC is probably going to pull back now. What's the EMA on the 5 minute? EMA is sitting right around 772, so don't be surprised if we see a pullback. 772, maybe even 760s before we have another push up, or we hold those levels. So very happy on AMC, very excited. So yeah, it's Thinkorswim. How's NQ doing? NQ pushing up or still getting rejected off that resistance? It's trying to. Oh, GameStop. We haven't taken a look at GameStop. Are we pushing? 48. We hit 48. We're pulling back, testing some support. Let's see. Okay, let me see. SPY is pushing. Slight recovery. NQ still seeing, still debating, still debating. Just trying to figure out if it's gonna go hit new highs, come back to these pre-market levels, or are we gonna come back down to retest the lows? Facebook. How's our Walmart doing? Still sank a little bit, 133. I kind of had a feeling this would have happened. That's why I didn't buy too much. 4 hour. 4 hours just getting rejected, obliterated on the EMA. HD, you guys got me interested in Home Depot. So yeah, slight cup and handle action here. Interested on this dead cat bounce. This can be a dead cat bounce. Broke past the support here at 260s. So even yet again, that 260s can become resistance. Oh my gosh. So should I wait for a dip to buy more correct? This is my first stock. What do you mean this is I'm liking this Discord chat. Yeah, if you guys aren't in our free Discord, man, it's very intellectual, guys. I make sure I have good admins, good mods that just ban any spammers. Don't go in there thinking you can spam and pump any stock. It's very intellectual. It's pinned in the comments. And subscribe to the channel, baby. We're live Monday through Friday every single day, and we're gonna be streaming the earnings tomorrow. Drop a like on the video, guys. I completely appreciate this for more free content. Let's go, baby. AMC 817. So should I wait for a dip to buy it? I'm trying to answer your question, but I really don't know what you mean. AMC, right? AMC. Wait for a dip. Yeah, wait for a dip. Cha-ching. I love it. Wait for a dip for AMC. I wouldn't necessarily first time buying here at 811. I'm new at this and I'm loving it. Yeah, man. Welcome to the stock market, baby. Let's see AMC's volume to 300 million. Guys, you know what made me so happy yesterday? The fact that the market was pulling back entirely, and guess what was green? Guess what came out green? That also had a psychological effect on people. People, when it's red, when it's a red day, they're trying to look for the winners. What's standing now? AMC. Now we have more attention on AMC. So this cup and handle here on the 4 hours is just beautiful. Like, I pictured this happening before it happened. Like, that's the craziest part. Like, I saw it in my head. I'm like, it's gonna curl up and break above. Like, the same thing with GameStop, but it's not happening on GameStop because we need a catalyst. It's slightly happening. A little bit. Can we test SMA at 70, 50 bucks? Let's see. Let's see. We need some catalyst, but you have to sometimes be able to picture that in your head. 822. Let's go. 824. How's Starbucks doing? How's this coffee doing? 102, right? 100. I think it was at pulling back a little bit. Yeah, it's pulling back. Sometimes I feel like if you kind of debating on what should you invest long term, just go with what you eat. I regret it. I love Chipotle, CMG, and look what happened. It's literally above like $1,400 level. It wasn't there a long time ago. Look at that. We had this dip here down to 400. That's what sometimes makes sense to me. The good old Warren Buffett style. KO, Coca-Cola's another stock I bought. Still at the same level. We sold this one. We locked in some profits. Tesla. Let's see NQ. How's NQ? Pushing or holding? Oof, it's kind of getting rejected. So very careful. Very careful. CCIV is dying. Is it really pulling back? I wouldn't say it's dying. I mean, the lower it comes for me, the better. I'm about to break even on my 32 shares. Should have locked in the profits and waited to buy a little bit lower, but it is what it is, man. You see, let me plug in my charger on my phone. Is like the camera quality good, guys, or is it just, do I look like pixelated? Because I'm using my phone and I have like this battery pack here. I have like this really nice Canon camera, but I really don't know how to connect it. CCIV is pulling back. Let's go. I'll add more shares at 30 bucks. More shares at 30 bucks on CCIV, PLTR. I'm still patiently waiting for it to come down. FRX, another SPAC that I'm waiting. I call this the Shaquille O'Neal SPAC that I'm just trying to YOLO on. I know it's money I'm willing to afford to lose. Don't necessarily feel comfortable on FRX, but I'm still gonna do it. Hey, is buying just partial stocks worth it? Like fractional shares, right? Is that what you mean? Back when I started, I was buying at 556 and a few shares at AMC at 7. Holy smokes, we're still pushing, guys. Camera quality is fine on my 24-inch. Oh, I think I appreciate that. Yeah, I guess I have the iPhone 11, so I'm kind of worried it was like crappy quality. 822. Man, look at this rally. It's not pulling back. AMC is not pulling back. It's just, look at this chart. It's just beautiful, man. It's like a art. It's art. I love it. Video quality is good. I'm watching on my phone. Yeah. Sometimes all you need is a phone. You really don't need any crazy equipment. Man, AMC, Tesla. What are we doing on Tesla? I think it's shooting up, right? Oh, it's slightly creeping. So similar action to yesterday. Getting rejected, slightly downtrending. We had this descending triangle here, but I'm glad we did not see anything under like 680s, or else we would have came back to like 670 support level that we had yesterday. But it broke out, slightly creeping. Seems like it's going to rip up. Yeah, Tesla's a beast, man. I saw it yesterday when I bought here at the lows. I'm like, Tesla could have a fat rebound. I've sold Tesla for losses before. We were down like $2,000, but I was like, you know what? I'm not taking the L. 714. I'm holding on cashing my calls. AMC, right? You had $8 calls on AMC. Oh my God, 833. Is this gonna stop? My average is really shitty, but I'm so excited. Are you talking about AMC, right, Madison? Factors so over feelings. Did you mean fractional shares, right? 837 is break even on my AMC. Oh my God, let's go, Anthony. I'm excited for all of you guys. Yes, fractional shares worth it. I personally would just save up, honestly. Like if you're struggling with capital right now, I think just if you have a job right now during this pandemic, first and foremost, you're blessed to have a job right now, and just save and try to live before your means. Like 833 on AMC. Like sometimes just save your money sometimes. Like live frugally. Like one of the stupidest things I do, I'm starting to do, and it's a bad habit, is just buying this when I can make it here for like 10 cents, like coffee. But I don't know. Like even just small things like that add up. Like buying things you don't necessarily need. Just put that money into the market, you know? You have more capital. So Jimmy still holding support. Jimmy's kind of choppy here, but it's holding the support levels, still forming higher highs above 5-minute EMA, having pulled back or cracked down. Glad I picked up 10 AMC calls at 550. Yeah, 550 was a support level last week. 833 still trying to peak. I think we could see another new high here. Maybe 850s. Is that a stretch? 850s, but we're gonna pull back on AMC soon, so don't be surprised if we come down to like $8. So right now, let's see how far we can push up. Come on, new high. Come on. How much do you think AMC will reach when COVID is over? Like $15? That's a hard question because we really don't know when it's over. I'm optimistic. I'm positive. So let's see before summer. Maybe summer. Thanks for the game. Subscribe for sure. Yeah, guys, I appreciate if you guys subscribe. Leave a like on the video. Join our free Discord. It really helps out the channel. But that's all going to be predicated on how fast we get that distribution of the vaccine. That's all it is. New high in AMC 837. So I'm optimistic. Hopefully, man. Like I miss going out. I'm here in LA and it's just horrible. Like everything's open, but it's just people are not wearing their masks and stuff. You know. 839. Like it's not the same vibe. Like even going out to clubs, it's not. It's like you kind of miss that, you know, the social aspect. 839. Even though I'm like a crazy introvert. 839. 840. That's the 850s. Is that a stretch? Is 850s a stretch? 841, 843, 844. Come on, 845. 850s. Come on, you're right there, 5 cents away. Oh my God, I can't believe AMC's at 850. Woo! I'm excited. Didn't Trace Trades say something about AMC needing to close around 650 for some contracts Friday? $8, I think it was the number that was going around, $8. Not sure if you watch his channel. Yeah, I love the guy. I'm kind of getting like hate from people saying I copy like content and stuff, but guys, like I've been trading. I've been seeing value in AMC. I've been talking about AMC for a while. Like I'll pull up a tweet I tweeted back in November or December about AMC. Look, the funny tweet. Let's see if I can find it. So, uh, here it is. I can never like switch sides. A46. This is my tweet. A47. I put buying one share of AMC stock will cost you $2.51. That's less than the candy bar at the actual theater. Buy and hold 10 years. Thank me later. AMC was at 250. Tweet was December 24. So I've been talking about AMC for a while. I love AMC. I see a lot of value in it. A48. Are you kidding me? A50s. Come on. You're right there. Dude, I love your channel. Haters gonna hate. I appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Glad I found you. Yeah, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys all. Oh, we did not hit 850. It looks like we're pulling back now. We're so close. We're so close. Look how well this is holding. This looks like GameStop. Just hold. Oh my God, GameStop 49.50. Can we see 50 bucks? Let's see 50 bucks. Let's go. So GameStop looks like it's pulling back right now. AMC's right there, bro. Come on. I want to see 850 print. A42. Is a pullback happening? What's EMA on 5-minute? EMA is at 791. So yeah, I could pull back to $8, but let's hold above $8. Marcus Wong, Ralph, I love you, dog. I love all you guys. I love you, Marcus. All you guys who tuned in, I appreciate every single one of you guys. So I guess it's a yeah, right? Should I live stream market close later on? What is it? 7:39 a.m. here. Market close. Let's stream market close. AMC will give me some cheddar. Absolutely. Like, can't you guys just wait to go back into like an AMC theater? Like, literally just walk in. Like, I feel like I'll never look at AMC the same way. Every time I'm at the movies, I'm just gonna think about the stonk. I'm just gonna think about the stonk. See, that's the pullback. AMC cannot hit 850, but hey, we hit 848. The pullback is coming. Let's see where it's. Is it gonna crack under EMA? Is it? It looks like it's coming down. People are taking profits. Should we just like? Let me see. I kind of want to catch a bounce. I'm gonna day trade it. Let's see. Should I day trade it? No. EMA is at 787. That's not smart. So EMA is right around here. Right around here. EMA, 5-minute EMA. So I could pull back to like 790s. Let's see. If the market closed today at 830, is it a win? That's a massive win. It might be a little bit difficult. I think that's a stretch, 830s. Let's hold above 780s. 780, maybe 8. That's a win to me. He likes the stock. I love the stock, man. Tesla's probably one of my favorite top stocks in the market. Tesla has been like my favorite day trading vehicle. Like the volatility, the swings on this stock are insane. It's blessed me with like good profits, and I love it. But what just sucks is the taxes on the day trading is insane. We'll buy more AMC. There's that pullback. That's the thing. Are we going to hold here or pull back even more? Let's have an alert. What's EMA at? 787 still? 792. EMA is creeping up. Let's see, remove drawing. GSAT. You guys keep bringing up GSAT. Such a nostalgic stock for me, man. I was trading this a while back. Like when I first started trading. Oh, GSAT has earnings. I wouldn't be surprised to see a push more up. Hey man, can you give me a direction to go? I got 1K to spend from a little profit yesterday. How do you feel about CCIV and Hoth? Sorry, yeah, no problem. I don't mind covering it again. So CCIV, depends, man. Are you trying to invest that 1K long term? Or how much risk tolerance do you have? So obviously, CCIV is going to be a little bit more risky than something more established like Tesla, but then people are going to say, oh, Tesla's overvalued, it's in a blah, 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 blah. You want to put that 1K in the index, you want to go long term. It all really just depends on your risk tolerance, but there's a lot of plays out there. So as soon as you get profits, can you take them and still have the same amount of shares? Um, no, like when you take profits, you sell your shares. I'm not sure what you mean. It's a really weird question. So as soon as you get profits, can you take them and still have the same amount? No. So say I have like 5 shares right here, right? If I sell these 5 shares, I'm done. Like I took my what? My $5 profit. Will you ever do a full day trading stream? I used to. When I first started, I would sit for like however long the market's open, and it kind of got a toll on me, you know? Like every single day just sitting down for a while looking at the screen is not good. And I'm kind of losing my eyesight. I'm kind of blind now, guys. So it's not necessarily the best. I have other businesses, so I go work out as well, working out. So usually the market dies down, volatility, volume stops. It's lunch on Wall Street, so you have time off. And sometimes it's not good to just stare at the screen all day. So I think that sometimes also has an effect. So you have CCIV comes to 30. I'll buy more. There's that pullback, AMC. There's that pullback. Man, I gotta use the restroom. Gym live streams. That'll be interesting. I tried trading from my phone, and I do not recommend it. You want to lose money quick? Trade off your phone. So EMA on the 5 minute for AMC is at 790. I wouldn't be surprised to see it come down to $8, 790-ish too. What's your opinion on FTFT? Last time we had a spike from 2 to 11. We pulled back to 5. Couldn't really hold that spike, that support level. Getting rejected off EMA. What do we see on the 1 minute? Not a lot of volatility for a day trade. There's not really much of a range there for me, so I'll pass on this one. But I appreciate you bringing it up and commenting. I'm still gonna peep at Home Depot. You guys brought this one up. I got interested in this one. I got very interested. CCIV. Yeah, I'm waiting for 30. Makes sense. Thanks for the transparency. Yeah, I appreciate it. I gotta use the restroom, but let me see. Yeah, AMC 805. Don't be surprised to see it come down. Tesla's still around 710. How's NQ? Did we hold, or are we still around there? We're still trading around this range here. Better to see it as support and trading sideways than to see a dump. That's just my opinion. Let's see. AMC. I'll be back. I gotta use the restroom really quick. Sundial. Um, HDI resistance. Yeah, I'm waiting for Home Depot, guys. It's at 257. That resistance probably, that previous support was at 260. So if it shoots up to 260 and it comes down, that previous support became resistance. Sundial. Slowly moving. I don't see the momentum there for me. Yeah, I'm still waiting for sub $1 in Sundial. I'm new to this. Anyone want to brag about what they can make in 3 to 4 hours of trading? It really all just depends. It depends on a lot of things. what stocks you're trading, how many shares you're buying, your risk tolerance. You get comfortable. That's the thing. You get comfortable with like certain dollar amounts. Like when I first started trading, like $100 this day was like crazy to me in high school. It was like, whoa, bro, I can make $100 off Robinhood on my phone in class. Like, and now like $100 days is like kind of bad. So it all depends. It's all experience too. Let's see. And it all depends as well on the market conditions. Like when we're pulling back like this and there's not a lot of strength, that's also going to take an effect. You have to adapt. Let's see. So see AMC, how are we looking on AMC? Bouncing, bouncing. It came down to 801, so close to 8. Whole number support. So 824. Damn, I missed that dip here. What was your worst day? Man, 6 figures. 6 figure loss. Yes, if you want to make X amount of profit, just sell however many shares that equals to. Yeah, it's all gonna depend on your shares, your position size. AMC's pushing again. 826. Bragging equates to how much money you are willing to lose on bets. Can't win if you don't play. Yeah, it's all on risk tolerance, man. But that's why when people say the stock market's a casino, it's really not. You have control over your plays. You have control. You can sell. You can buy. You can buy the dip. You can average down. You can average up. You can cut your loss. It's not 50-50. I'm still a newbie with stocks, but I own some gold and have a nice size 401k. Yeah, I'm looking to live nice in my 50s. Yeah, same thing. There's nothing wrong with day trading and having a long-term approach, but you have to have that long-term investment. I'm not saying just day trade everything, go all in, don't invest long-term, and invest long-term as well. Your money will compound. Albert Einstein said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it, or those who don't understand it, pay it, or something like that. Those who understand it reap its rewards, and those who don't pay it, or something like that. Yeah, but compound interest, baby. Like for those youngins here in their 20s, put some money aside every month, invest it. When you're in your 50s, 60s, you'll have a couple $1,000,000, depending on how much you're investing a month, and your returns you're getting on the market. Madison says, I recently got a Roth IRA and I have AMC stocks in it. Yeah, absolutely. My CPA has Neo. Can you guess what price he bought in at? He bought in like at $4. I'm like, bro, you just sit on it forever. Neo's gonna go up. Neo's gonna go up. He's set. At $4, he got Neo. That's insane. 819 GME. AMC's kind of getting rejected here on the EMA. Let's see if it holds $8. $8.19. AMC is a great company and has the ability to reinvent the movie watching experience. I'm logging in with 5,027 shares at $11.56 a stock. Along with AMC, patience is a virtue for a reason. Yeah, there might be even buyout rumors. That's also what I'm thinking. Not necessarily does Amazon have to buy out AMC. You know who else? Can you guess somebody else that might be interested in AMC? It's an easy one. I'm not day trading. I'm looking to invest for the next 30 years or so. Yeah, there's no problem with that. There's no problem with not wanting to day trade. It takes a lot to day trade. It takes a lot on your emotions, on your mental stability, on your health. Like when you have bad days, it's just like, man, it kind of ruins your day, but you try not to let it ruin your day. It takes guts sometimes, and it's a roller coaster, man. Sometimes you might not have the certain like personality for it, and that's completely fine. There's people who do way better long term and they avoid that stress. Netflix, yeah. Netflix Netflix could possibly even want to buy out AMC. And it's bouncing strongly off $8. I love it. 8.28, 5 minute. What are we looking at? EMA 7.99 on the 5 minute. If we come to retest these highs here, AMC could probably even hit like $9 today. Doge. What's Dogecoin price at? Can someone figure that out? Find that out for me, because I can't. I have my phone as my camera. Let me see. Let's Google it. Doge price. Is that 5 cents, right? 5 cents. I had that Elon push. I'm trying to get in cheaper. Last time oh my god. AMC 838. I'm telling you. We're pushing. If it pushes up, we could see $9 today. Is there systems to mitigate that volatility while day trading? What do you mean by that? Systems. I'm literally at the point where you said you were excited over $100 a day in class. Yeah, that's where I started. I was super stoked. Like, you guys brought us some tickers. I was trading GSAT. Free C's was my first stock I ever traded, and now it's like completely gone to crap. Free F, Free C's. Look at this. How times change, man. It's insane. I have 5 shares of Neo at $2. Wow, hold that. Hold that. I have 1K to spend. Average up. I wouldn't average up right now. Yeah, and Doge is at 0.05. I literally at the price I bought last time I got clapped. We're fuck $9. We're seeing $10 today. Man, if we see $10 today, I don't know what I'll say. Let me see. Yeah, it's crazy cool. What was your first stock you ever bought? Put it that way. Do you remember the first stock? I remember when I bought Freezies, I felt like this thrill. Like, I even though I had like 1 share, I felt euphoric. Like, seeing the dollar go up and down, I was like, what? That was my first ever stock. Always remember your first stock you ever bought. I love laying in bed watching my money grow. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. I love that. I love that. Just investing long term. You avoid all the unnecessary stress that comes with day trading. And also, you have to have a strategy for day trading, so it could be very difficult at times. You have to adapt. When markets pull back and markets are mixed like this, it takes a lot. NQ, NQ's pretty much still flat. The first stock you ever bought was Tesla. It's my favorite stock. Tesla. AMC. First stock I ever bought was Kodak on that crazy run, March of last year. Tesla's pushing. We're still holding 5 shares on this bad boy. I loved it when it was at pre-market 732 and then it pulled back, but oh well. Boeing is carrying the market. Holy smokes. Holy sh! Boeing. No sign of a pullback. 5-minute EMA. Look at that. That's crazy. 222. This was like what AMC was doing, but Boeing could pull back right now. Let me see. Oh my gosh, AMC 839. I bought Doge and regret not selling at its high. Yeah, man, don't feel bad. I lost on Doge as well. I cut my loss. Oh well, and it shot back up. I cut my loss and it shot back up to 8 on Super Bowl day. So don't feel bad. It happens. Um. Let's see. Oh shoot, GME 49. Similar pattern all morning. High, pulls back, consolidates, higher lows, high, pulls back, consolidates, shoots up, pulls back, consolidates, now it's shooting up again. Sens, someone barred it up. Sens is a good buy. Earnings coming up. I wouldn't doubt it to see if it pushes up to like 450s. with earnings around the corner. Let's see. NQ, there we go. Shooting up, pushing up. Let's go. See if we could test SMA here. Tesla was about to pop as well. I wouldn't be surprised if it's pushing. Tesla testing SMA. Last time we tested SMA was a market open. We got rejected, so be careful. Let's see. Are we going to push? Are we going to push? CCIV, what are you doing? Pulling back. Still pretty much flat. PLTR. FRX. PLTR is pushing up, which is not good for me since I want to get in cheaper. On GME, yes. Sarah says GME, yes. Let's push up to $50. We need GME to push up to $50. Oh gosh, something in my eye. I guess I'm asking for search topics to research strategies on how to make smart plays. The way I just figured out how to make smart plays and just find a strategy was losing money. As straightforward as that is, I lost money, and that money you lose, of course, it's painful, and it forces you to, like, you have to recap your trades in your head. Be like, why did I lose? What went wrong there? You know, you have to really dissect you have to know yourself and be brutally honest. Be like, I got greedy. I didn't cut my loss. Had my AMC call set at 850 and they sold right around, yeah, it was right around 848. Tesla 718 is pushing, breaking above SMA. Let's see, NQ's probably pushing even more. Apple's probably just pushing, recovering. Man. The thing with Tesla, could probably push back to like 760s and close that gap. GME's close. It's close to those highs. Come on, let's see new high. AIM still pulling back, getting rejected, so it's probably going to come back down to retest the support here at 8. SPY's pushing, baby. ES also pushing. NEO following Tesla. XPEV as well. There's another EV company in China, XPeng. XPEV. Look at this crazy run we had here. So it's broke under that double bottom here at 37.90. Has earnings. Might be another interesting play. A catalyst play. Come on, baby. AMC. Higher lows. Higher lows. Come on. 820. I think 820s is where it wants to hold. 820s. AMC will forever change our lives. Yeah, we changed AMC. We saved AMC basically. So let's have it change. Let's have it save us now. Change our lives. Okay, guys. I think I have to get going here. Market's pretty much the volatility. Let's see if we can hold 820s. Let's hold 820s. Yeah, Tesla's still pushing up. We played it safe though. AMC to 10. AMC to 10 today. If it can break past 850s, but with the midday, usually it slows down. It finds some support. I mean, yesterday, look, we had midday and it was still trending upwards, so that's a good sign. But we had a small minor pullback headed into the market close. But let's hold above 8, maybe 820s. Is that a stretch? What stocks would you recommend long term? Long term, I'm going CCIV, which is a little bit more risky. CCIV. What else do I got? AMC. Going long term. I'm buying the index long term. Ape together, strong together. It's really happening in AMC. That's what blows my mind. So I think that'll be it for this stream, guys. If you guys found this video or this stream very helpful, I'd appreciate you guys so much if you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe, because do you guys want me to go live later? Market close. Should we go live market close today? We're also going live every single day, Monday through Friday. We're going to be covering earnings tomorrow on AMC as well. And I'll have a new video out for you guys later as well. And join the Discord, completely free. We had a lot of crazy callouts. that have been just going crazy. Sundial being one of them. 827. Subbed and like, I appreciate it. I appreciate all you guys. You guys really help out the channel. Bring more free content for all you guys. More live streams, more coverage. So yeah, yes, thank you. What's up, Brian? You're still holding your Tesla? Man, Tesla just always just proves like me wrong. When I think it could dip even more, look at this rebound. We held on to 5 shares, which is not bad. So we're gonna be holding those 5 shares. Let's see if we could push back to 733. Thank you, Pizza. Dig the channel, like and subscribe. Peace. Today's profit. Let's see, what are we on? We're up $336 on the day with the Walmart, CCIV, GME, AMC. Like that's a pretty decent day. That's a pretty decent day. With the market pulling back, everything being red, I'm taking it easy. Notice how I only have 5 shares. Usually I'll buy like 30, 40, 50 shares of Tesla, but with the market pulling back, you got to be careful. Take it easy. All right, I guess we'll be going live at market close, holding Tesla, says Brian at AMC calls. You're killing it, Brian. I'm killing it, man. Alright guys, we'll be going live. You're a huge help. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Tesla's still pushing as we speak. Let's see what GMA is doing before we log off here. 48. Let's hold 47. AMC, what are we doing? 827. I think holding 820 might be a little bit of a stretch. Let's at least hold above 8. Alright, so we'll be back. I'm gonna get a workout. I'm gonna get some business done. Guess I'll get on some calls. You make it exciting. Thanks. I'm gonna have to do the same. I appreciate you, Chaz. Yeah, we'll go live market close, so probably 12 to 1 is power hour. So I'll try to do 11:30. That gives me a couple hours. I wanted to day trade Tesla, but that turned into a swing trade. I plan to sell around 800. Yeah, Tesla has been really good on the swing trades. I normally don't swing trade. I love day trading it. So that's why sometimes I take more losses, because I do something I'm not comfortable or I'm not good at, which is swing trading, but it paid off. It was a good buy here down at 619. We got it at 638. It's pushing as we speak, 722, man. I kind of want to sell my 5 shares here. Honestly, if I'm being honest. AMC's holding 820s. 820. I kind of want to sell, you know? Should we sell? Just call it and lock in some gains. 5 minute, what are we at? You know what? Every time I sell, the stock rockets. I want you guys to profit, so we just sold Tesla, locked in those profits. 341 profit, so that's it. So Tesla's about to rocket at 730. I promise you. Every time I sell, this thing just rockets. It keeps on moving as we speak. 724. All right, guys. We'll be back power hour. So I'm trying to go 30 minutes before power hour. So 11:30 here. What would that be Eastern? How many I'm praying for? I can't even think. 725. You see, I swear every time I sell, it rockets. So let's see 730 for you guys. Oh, 726. All right. I'll see you guys later. You guys have a good one.